Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install our Contacts plugin on Redmine 7.0 stable on Ubuntu Linux 26.04. So currently this is the very latest Redmine 7 until the current moment, and this is the Linux 26.04 that is also the very latest Linux Ubuntu until the current moment, because it is released on April 2026 and we are currently in the middle of 2026 year. Okay, so we see that we have the stable version of Redmine installed, and just to say that it is very important that a stable version is needed. Our plugins of RedmineUp are designed to work and operate on stable versions of Redmine, not dev ones. Alright, so we see that we have already installed Agile plugin, and currently we are going to install the Contacts plugin or CRM. This is the same thing. So I have already downloaded the Contacts plugin, which latest version until now is 4.47, and now I'm going to move forward. So I open the terminal and move to the downloads folder. Okay, so I list to see if everything is fine, and now I'm going to move this zip file to Redmine, which is done via sudo copy Redmine contacts to directory, this one. So my Redmine is located into this directory. It is up to you which one you would like to choose. In my current example, I have installed my Redmine here. Okay, so I enter now, put my sudo password, and now go and double check if everything is fine and successfully copied. Okay, so I list the files here, and we see that we have Agile, zip, Agile folder because it is already installed, and this is our zip file of Contacts plugin. Okay, so we unzip now the zip, we unzip the zip file via the Unzip program. Okay, so we see that it is successfully unzipped. We list again to see if everything is fine. And we see that Redmine Contacts folder is actually successfully unzipped. If you'd like to double check this in the Redmine directory, we go now to the directory itself. Okay. Yeah, so we enter the directory. It is located onto this path, and we see that we have Contacts plugin successfully unzipped. Now we're going to remove the zip file because we no longer need it. And also I see that I forgot to remove the Agile zip folder, so we're going to remove both. Return back to the terminal and execute command remove sudo remove. Okay. Firstly, we are going to remove the zip file of Agile, and afterward the CRM. Now we list to double check. We see that we have now only the two folders. If we'd like to double check here, we see that they are only the two folders. Okay, so we are doing good by now. Good. So now we have to move to the previous directory to proceed further. This is very important. the next two commands should be executed in the core Redmine folder and not in the plugins folder. So we change the directory to the previous one via this command change directory and 2 points. So we click enter and we see that we have moved to Redmine now. So the first command that we need to execute is to run the bundle install. This is going to install all the needed gems for this plugin to be able to work. So yeah, we see that it is loading and we see that we have 151 gems installed, and yeah, we have successfully done this command. So the next one is the migration command. It is also a very important one. So it is executed by sudo bundle exec rake redmine plugins name. The name is actually the name of the folder itself, Redmine/contacts. Okay. And the last parameter here is Rails and production. This means that it is going to use the Redmine production environment. Okay, so we hit enter and see that the migrations of contacts is successfully executed, and yeah, we are almost done. The last thing that we need to do is to restart our Redmine. My Redmine is running in a separate terminal, and here it is. It is started into this way, so it is currently running. So if I close this window, then Redmine will also close. So this is the way I'm going to restart it. Okay, so as being in this Redmine directory, I start again my Redmine. So it is by the same command that you have seen a couple of seconds ago. Just 1 second, please. This is it. Sudo Ubuntu exec rel server e production. This will start my Redmine again. Okay, we see that Redmine started. So in this way, we have restarted our Redmine. Now let's go to the Redmine itself and see what is happening. So we refresh our page here and see that Redmine Contacts is now appeared into our plugins list. We have successfully installed our Contacts plugin on Redmine 7. And if we go now to projects and create a new one, we see that in the modules we have contacts and deals available. These are the modules of Contacts plugin, so there are a lot of videos and explanation about how to use, activate, and so on the Contacts modules. So feel free to check them if you wish. And also, if you wish, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have some problems or questions about the installation, about anything else, then please feel free to contact us at support@redmineup.com. And our support engineers are going to help you. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.